Hello everyone. So today we have this math problem. 8 minus 2 next to 8 minus 2. Does this math problem equals to 36? So intuitively, what is your intuition says? We do first what's inside the parentheses. And here we have 8 minus 2, which equals to 6. Then we do from left to right. We do 8 minus 2 equals to 6 as well. And in the end, we do this small multiplication. So we have 6 multiplied by 6. And the result is 36. This might look intuitively correct because you did the parentheses, then you did from left to right. But of course, this is wrong. Why this approach is wrong? Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, in this case P stands for parentheses, and it must always be done in the first place. So here we have the parentheses, so 8 minus 2, and we have here indeed 6. Next one is exponents. Here we don't have it, exponents, but if we had, it must be done in the second place. Then we have multiplication and division. So we see here that we have one multiplication, but we don't have division. But in the PEMDAS, we can see that multiplication and division, they have higher priority over addition and subtraction. Here we can see we have one subtraction. Therefore, we must do first multiplication. So if we check what we did before, we did from left to right the subtraction. This is the wrong way, the wrong approach. So we must do first the multiplication and then we do the subtraction. Therefore, here multiplication and division must be done in the third place from left to right, and addition and subtraction in the fourth. Therefore, how we should approach this equation? So how we should approach this equation? As seen here, P, we do it in the first place, and as mentioned before, we do first what's inside the parentheses. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Then we write it as it is. So we have 8 minus 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, then we don't have exponents, but we have multiplication here, because we see that multiplication and division, we do it in the third place before addition and subtraction. So therefore, we do multiplication first. So we have 2 multiplied by 6, we get 12. Correct? And then in the fourth place, we already do addition or subtraction. In this case, we have 8 minus 12 equals to minus 4. So therefore, the answer is minus 4. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao!